Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best OBD2 automotive scanner available for your garage. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Foxwell. Let's get started. Product feature: handles engine, ABS, and airbag diagnostics, allowing you to read and clear fault codes effortlessly while turning off the mill light once the issue is fixed. Offers 26 special maintenance functions like ABS bleeding, oil light resets, and battery registration to keep your vehicle running smoothly every day. Features advanced bidirectional testing for ABS and SRS systems, plus TPMS, throttle adjustments, and AF ratio calibration for precision tuning. Supports 10 full OBD2i modes, including live data streams, freeze-frame data, and IM readiness checks to ensure your car is always road-ready and safe. Provides an intuitive interface that simplifies complex diagnostics, making it easy for both professionals and DIYers to get accurate results quickly. Comes with lifetime free updates, ensuring your tool stays current with the latest diagnostic software without ever paying extra subscription fees. Boasts massive compatibility with over 110 car brands and 10,000 plus models, including the latest 2026 vehicles from American, European, and Asian markets. Pros: the NT650 Elite is like having a professional mechanic right in your pocket. It's incredibly cost-effective, covering nearly 90% of your daily repair needs, which saves you so much time and money. We love the peace of mind that comes with free lifetime updates, meaning your investment grows with you. It's a versatile, global solution that feels truly reliable for any car owner. Cons: while it's packed with features, beginners might find the sheer amount of data a bit overwhelming during their first use. Also, while it covers a vast range of vehicles, it is always a good idea to double-check specific compatibility for very rare or specialty models to ensure the best results. Final thoughts: imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing exactly what's happening under the hood of your car. This scanner isn't just a tool. It's a partner that empowers you to take care of your vehicle and your family's safety. It removes the stress of mysterious dashboard lights and puts control back in your hands. Investing in this means investing in reliability and long-term peace of mind for every journey. Get the power of a pro mechanic today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video.